Good morning, pseudo coin holders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to show you how to install Trust Wallet and create and or import an existing wallet or wallets. Trust Wallet is a fantastic application that allows you to import and have all of your wallets in one place. So for those of you who invest in different coins across different networks or maybe alt tokens, things of that nature, it is a must-have application. If you're on the go, obviously it's available on Android and iOS. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you're alerted every time a new tutorial becomes available. And now that that's all taken care of, let's get started. All right, the first thing we're going to want to do is go into your iOS or Android Play Store, and we are going to search for Trust Wallet. The application looks just like this. We're going to install. Easy. Once that's installed, go ahead and open the application. If you do not have a wallet yet, you can create a wallet through Trust Wallet. We're going to first click on Create a New Wallet. First, it asks you to review the Trust Wallet Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Once you've done that, you can click that you have read them and click Continue. From here, you'll have a disclaimer that lets you know to back up your wallet, whether it be to Google Drive or writing it down. Please note, if you do lose the recovery words, there is no way that you can retrieve your wallet, so keep this safe and secure. The next screen will show you the recovery phrase, which you need to copy down. After you've copied that down, the next screen will have you input the phrase to make sure that you've copied it down correctly. Once complete, hit done and your wallet is created. So now in the beginning, when you were first setting it up, you have two options: create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet, importing a wallet. Since we selected the start a new wallet, we are going to show you how to import a wallet after you already have another wallet set up. So let's take a look at that really quick. All right, so from our Trust Wallet, we're going to go into the Settings tab. We're going to click Wallets. Now, currently we already have our wallet set up as the multi-coin wallet, which can receive many different types of coins that you can see on your front page. But let's say we want to import one, we can hit this little plus sign up here, and it's actually going to look just like when we first launched the application. And we are going to say, I already have a wallet. From here, you'll want to click on the type of wallet you want to import. Multi-coin wallet will work for most unless you are in need of a specific coin type. After we've clicked that, we want to give a name to this wallet and we want to enter in our security phrase. Once you've done that, click Import. Trust Wallet will import all coins we're holding automatically, so you do not need to add them individually. And now we can see here, Trust Wallet is ready to use. Now, if you want to switch between your wallets, we can simply go down into Settings, Wallets, and then switch back to whatever wallet you'd like to see an overview of. It is as simple as that. And that is going to be all we have for tonight. I hope this video was of use to you. Trust Wallet is a fantastic application to have, especially if you have multiple wallets going across different platforms. Maybe you have a lot of alt tokens you invest in. It's just a great application to keep everything in one really easy to find space. And that is all we have for tonight. Until the next episode, have a good one.